Hey, so this script, see my start menu up here now. Of course, I put my start menu, my whole taskbar on the side, so I can see more programs. I have lots of links, and when you have it flat in the bottom, you really don't have much bandwidth. So plus your screens are wider than they are tall, so I have no idea why Windows decides the default's down there. But anyway, my start menu up here. Notice it doesn't say start, right? Or I don't even know what it says in Windows 10. But it's a clock, yet it works just like a start menu. So this script from Goya, I assume that's how to say it, is it. That's it. I have honestly never even looked at how it works, but it replaces your start menu with that. I used to use a program called Classic Shell to hide the start menu button, but I don't think I applied that. So now it's just running and it covers it well. The other great thing about this is when you do that, you can get rid of the clock, which also takes a lot of room in your system tray. So I really like this script. I've used it for, I don't know, like 10 years. And it's just great because, hey, that start button's stupid to not use that space for something. So I have it putting in and you can, at some point, I don't think that was the default way the time was put up. I think I adjusted that. Here, I think that's where you're putting in the format. So I don't know. You have to look around. But yeah, it's a cool script. Cheers.